Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday, March 15th, 2021. Mr. Parrott here with your science rundown of what we're doing today. First off, this is for both the quarantine and in-person people because I am not at school today. So if for some reason you did not get the lesson from the sub, here's the lesson itself with me narrating over it. First off, make sure that you do the bell ringer. There's the bell ringer up there, so make sure that you get that accomplished. For Monday, make sure you're submitting your peppered moth activity from over the weekend. If you did not do that on Friday, make sure that gets submitted up. And then we will need to do the March Mammal Madness Final Four analysis, which you'll be able to find on Schoology in the folder for today. So that's last Monday. We need this Monday, 15th. Here we go. And I combined Monday and Wednesday together because you're going to be working on the same document. So there's the bell ringer up there. And then you'll have the March Mammal Madness Final Four. That's why I just call it there. Load that up. This is what you'll have then once you've loaded it up. Bada bing, bada boom. There we are. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking up and researching some more information on your final four animals that you have picked out of your bracket. So right after the division name, you're going to research more topics about your champion from that division, just so that you learn more about these animals. And now that we've had a little bit of natural selection business underneath our belts, you'll go in and find some stuff about that species itself. And it's for your bracket, so it's whatever animals that you have chosen specifically. If you take a look at the bracket on the next slide, you'll be doing these ones that are circled on the bracket are the ones that you're going to be filling out in regards of this information. So the ones that you are doing for Monday is the Trixie Taxonomy Champion and the Red and Fur Champion, which are the two that are on the left side of the bracket. So it's this one up top and this one at the bottom, going on with it there. And what you're going to do is, this is an example of something that you'll end up doing, but you're going to fill out the following information about your champion, and you're going to research it. You're going to look at what their environment or habitat is like. What countries does it live in? How big are they? Because, size is normally a factor with these things. Things like what they eat, what kind of weapons do they have, what kind of defenses do they have, any other interesting facts that you can find. Because all of them have something that they do, because that's how they're surviving. So they have some kind of attack kind of thing that they might be able to do, or they might have some kind of defense that they might be able to do when we say weapons or defense there. Then you got to give me why you picked them as being a Final Four competitor, because we haven't really gotten to that yet. So why have you selected them as being your Final Four champion? So I wrote one up here about the Siberian weasel as an example, because I doubt a lot of people had the Siberian weasel as ranked number 12 in their Final Four. So I figured it was a pretty safe animal to have as an example to utilize in these situations. But you can see how yours is blank. You'll have to fill out all your information for your species there. Common name is the name off the bracket. Scientific name you'll have to look up. That's usually 2 words, and it looks like it's in a foreign language because it is. It's in Latin. So you'll need to write it in the Latin version there for that. So that's what you're doing for Monday. So if you have any questions, email me. I'll be around. But otherwise, you're only doing the first 2 on Monday, and then we'll do the other 2 on Wednesday. So Wednesday's video will be published, so if you want to do Monday and Tuesdays because you'll be gone the whole week, you can go ahead and do so if you want. But with that being said, if you email me if you have any questions, otherwise, see ya.